Fy hoff beth i yn gweithio dy plant a phobl ifanc yw pan maen nhw'n ffeindio mas, maen nhw'n gallu sgwennu beth maen nhw eisiau sgwennu a bod nhw ddim gofyn gwneud rhywbeth addysgol. Does rhywun fi gofyn caniatad i fod yn creadigol. A pan maen nhw'n sylwi o hynna, maen nhw'n off wedyn. Mae fel taflu aderyn yn yr awyr, maen nhw just off. Heddi o dynnu rhyw fath o taten radioactif oedd yn mynd o gwmpas yn dechrau rhyw fath o rhyfel yn y gofod. O rhywun arall i wneud, gael ei geni mewn mynwent aliens, o rhywun arall i creu cymeriad oedd yn byw ti fewn bwtwm bola rhywun.
My favourite thing about working with children is inventing. I always say that when you write something or you design a new melody, you put a new poem into the world, you're an inventor. And I love that because that curiosity, that playfulness, that creativity that goes into that to making something new. It's amazing.
Ti amser ti'n imagino beth ti di ysgrifennu, mae'n hala ti deimlo fatha good of it.
Rhannu syniadau mas a dysgu pethau newydd. Nôl yn syrru fel yn mynd mewn i fe mwy a o'n i'n gael mwy o fel syniadau fel gwych. Oedd e'n eitha hwyl, o'n i'n meddwl, a oedd e'n fel yn rili hwyl i fel ysgrifennu a fel just fel wneud syniadau a stuff fel that. Pan mae fe'n fel swnio'n good, mae fe'n ei fi teimlo'n hapus.
Dwi'n meddwl bod ysgrifennu a llenyddiaeth yn pwysig iawn i blant, achos mae'n adael i nhw mynegu eu hun a cymeriad nhw ar bapur, ac i ddefnyddio ddychymyg nhw, a i mynegu eu hun heb unrhyw rheol, a mae hwnna'n rhywbeth hyfryd i weld.
Very, very often what happens is that the child who the teacher has said, I've just put him in at the back of the class, if he's a problem, I'll take him out, is the kid who gives you the killer line. This morning, I had a group of children and there was one little boy who was talking lots and asking lots and lots of questions and suggesting all sorts of things. Very, very engaged. And the teacher came up to me afterwards and she said, that child never says anything in school. We've been so worried about him. We haven't been able to get him to talk. And now we realise this is the approach we need to take. This is the thing that turns him on.
Pan ni'n edrych ar gyricwlwm ysgol, mae rhaid i ni ystyried beth i ni'n teimlo yw pwrpas, beth i ni'n dysgu'r plant a beth yw nod ni yn y pen draw. I ni bob amser yn trial meddwl am y ffyrdd gorau posib i gael yr effaith gorau posib ar yn dysgwyr. A mae mwyaf cyffroes ysgogol, perthnasol, ysbrydoledig i ni'n gallu gwneud yn cwricwlwm ni, gorau gyd yn y pen draw yw'r effaith ni'n cael yn dysgwyr. Felly yn syml, mae defnyddio arbenigwyr, pobl ysbrydoledig, pobl sydd yn lwyddiant, pobl diddorol, sydd a thalentog, mae ond yn gallu cael dylanwad positif. A hefyd, mae e'n creu lliw i'n cwricwlwm ni.
Now, there is really, really good science to show that when children enter into story space, what happens is their ability to think, to manipulate ideas, to assimilate information, to come up with new ideas is greatly, greatly enhanced. Now, if there is one thing that we desperately need in the world, is human beings who can think of new solutions to the terrible set of old problems that we have given ourselves to solve.
Cyn y gweithdi, byddwn ni wedi meddwl bod e'n boring a bydde fe ddim yn rhywbeth byddwn ni rili di wneud. Ond, byddwn ni wedi weddol drwy o. Pan mae e'n mynd yn successful, neu os mae e'n swnio'n good, fi'n teimlo fel yn balch neu fel yn hapus.
Fel, pan chi'n llifo trwy mae'n eich chi'n fel cyffroes a fel rydd fach.
Mae athrawon yn cael ei hamro gan strategau a gwaith papur. So fi'n gallu gweld weithiau, mae fe'n anodd i greu rhywbeth sydd yn efo lot o bwlyn. Mae lot o egni mewn gweithiau fi. Ond bys ni byth gallu gwneud dydd ar ôl dydd, 5 diwrnod yr wythnos, achos byddai'n nacryn.
A writer coming into a school is a new face, a new person with a new approach who's outside of all those normal parameters. And as you know, as we all know as parents, the new adult coming in and saying something to your kid that you've said 1,000,000 times, they'll absorb from the new adult. But also, they can forge a new identity. Children will come out with something, will behave in a totally new way that was not predicted by their teacher. And that's facilitated by this new person with a different skill set, with whom they have no history and no baggage, and they can be something different. And we as writers offer them that safe space, which is a gateway to a new way of them seeing themselves, as well as that simple but powerful route to discovering their own voice as writers, as speakers, as humans.